Canada's fighter jet race has taken a dramatic turn, and the entire defense landscape is feeling the shockwaves. With Sweden's Gripen E now paired with Rolls-Royce's advanced propulsion technology, Canada isn't just considering a new aircraft, it's stepping into a new era of sovereignty, control, and Arctic dominance. This partnership could redefine Canada's military identity and quietly shift the balance of power across NATO and North America. Before we dive deeper into this game-changing shift in Canadian air power, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more detailed breakdowns on global defense, military technology, and strategic geopolitics. Canada's Royal Canadian Air Force is reaching a breaking point. Its aging CF-18 Hornets, once reliable defenders of national airspace, now struggle to keep pace with the demands of a rapidly evolving world, from the vast, unforgiving Arctic to round-the-clock NORAD responsibilities and growing NATO obligations. Canada is being pulled in every direction by modern threats it can no longer ignore. The CF-18s simply weren't built for today's electronic warfare environment, long-range missiles, or the extreme climate challenges of the North. With global tensions rising and airspace violations increasing, Canada can no longer delay the urgent need for a next-generation fighter. Amid this growing pressure, one aircraft stands out as a realistic and transformative option: Sweden's Saab Gripen E. Unlike the costly and heavily restricted alternatives pushed by the United States, the Gripen arrives with a vision built around Canadian needs: flexibility, autonomy, and cold-weather strength. It offers advanced capabilities without the added burden of long-term dependency or complex control limitations. At a time when Canada wants more authority over its own defense decisions, the Gripen E presents a path that prioritizes freedom, affordability, and long-term sustainability. What truly transforms the Gripen E into a groundbreaking opportunity for Canada is its partnership with Rolls-Royce, one of the most respected propulsion innovators in the world. This collaboration shifts the conversation from merely buying a fighter jet to gaining unprecedented control over engine maintenance, upgrades, and long-term fleet sustainability. Unlike aircraft bound by U.S. export controls and software locks, a Gripen powered and supported through Rolls-Royce opens the door to genuine sovereignty. Engines can be serviced, overhauled, and potentially co-developed on Canadian soil, reducing dependence, increasing readiness, and creating a pipeline of skilled aerospace jobs. This isn't just a procurement choice, it's a strategic realignment that gives Canada control where it matters most: technology, capability, and national independence. At the heart of the Gripen E is the powerful F414G engine, delivering the thrust, acceleration, and high-altitude performance Canada urgently needs. Capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 2, the aircraft combines impressive climb rates with exceptional maneuverability, making it highly effective in both defensive and interception roles. Its reduced radar cross-section enhances survivability, while Saab's advanced flight control systems ensure precision in demanding environments. Most importantly, the engine's proven reliability in harsh climates makes it a natural fit for Canada's freezing temperatures, remote airfields, and rugged Arctic operations, where resilience and efficiency are absolutely essential. The Gripen Rolls-Royce partnership offers Canada a powerful economic boost. Building local engine servicing, component production, and maintenance facilities would create high-skilled jobs across multiple provinces. Technology transfer gives Canadian engineers access to advanced turbine design, materials science, and digital engine systems. These capabilities strengthen both military readiness and civilian aerospace industries. Instead of one-time spending, this program becomes a long-term investment that expands Canada's industrial base and future export potential. Choosing the Gripen E gives Canada rare freedom from U.S. export controls, and software locks that limit upgrades and mission flexibility. American jets often require approval for major changes, slowing operational decisions. Sweden and the UK offer far more autonomy, allowing Canada to modify systems, integrate weapons, and update electronic warfare tools independently. Without needing foreign permission, Canada's northern territories demand an aircraft built for extreme cold, limited infrastructure, and rapid response. The Gripen E excels in exactly these conditions. It can operate from short runways, frozen airstrips, and even highway sections with minimal support. Its rugged landing gear, efficient fuel use, and quick turnaround time make it ideal for remote missions. Combined with Rolls-Royce's cold-weather engine reliability, the Gripen delivers consistent performance where Canada needs it most. For NATO, Canada's move toward the Gripen E introduces valuable diversification into an alliance heavily dependent on a single supplier. A mixed fleet strengthens operational resilience, reduces logistical bottlenecks, and ensures continuity during geopolitical tensions. By adopting a European-designed fighter, Canada sets an example for flexible, balanced procurement, enhancing both national readiness and the broader strength of the NATO air network. The true strength of this partnership lies in combining Swedish design, British propulsion expertise, and Canada's growing aerospace capability. Saab delivers a fighter built for efficiency and adaptability, while Rolls-Royce adds world-class turbine technology and reliability. Canada's involvement integrates local industry into advanced systems like digital twin monitoring, AI-based diagnostics, and predictive maintenance used in Europe's top aircraft. Together, these technologies boost readiness, reduce failures, and give Canada the long-term ability to maintain and upgrade its fleet independently. The United States isn't worried that the Gripen E will outperform the F-35 in direct combat. It's worried about what Canada's independence represents. Every aircraft purchased outside the American defense ecosystem reduces long-term revenue, influence, and strategic leverage. A Gripen-based Canadian fleet signals that even close allies are seeking greater autonomy. For Washington, this shift is subtle but significant, revealing a gradual rebalancing of power within North America. By joining forces with Saab and Rolls-Royce, Canada positions itself for long-term aerospace expansion that reaches far beyond a single fighter program. Universities, research centers, and manufacturing hubs would gain access to advanced propulsion knowledge, new patents, and collaborative development opportunities. Canadian suppliers could support not only domestic Gripen operations, but also international customers, opening doors to global exports. This partnership lays the foundation for Canada to emerge as a regional leader in next-generation aerospace innovation. The Gripen E also supports Canada's commitment to cleaner, more efficient military aviation. Its modern engine architecture consumes less fuel than many competing fighters, lowering long-term operating costs and reducing emissions. At a time when global militaries face pressure to modernize responsibly, Gripen's efficiency aligns perfectly with Canada's environmental priorities. Rolls-Royce's push toward hybrid electric propulsion gives Canada a valuable role in shaping future military aviation technologies. The Gripen partnership represents more than a purchase. It's a move toward sovereignty, innovation, and long-term capability. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more global defense and aerospace analysis.